die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I was going to talk about this fragrance that I bought from Priceline, Scotch and Soda for him, but I actually got something else in the mail, so I'm going to give my first impressions and unbox this one instead. And this is Zadig and Voltaire's Just Rock. Pretty promising, I've got to say. So my fragrance of the day is actually Zadig and Voltaire's This Is Him. This is actually my favorite fragrance of all time. I prefer this to Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. I do love that scent, don't get me wrong. It's in my top 3 alongside Dracar Noir. But this scent is just absolutely everything I love about perfumery and fragrances. It lasts a million years. Like, I sprayed this on this morning at like 9 AM. And I can still smell this at 5 in the afternoon. Vanilla, incense, amber. It's the perfect men's scent. Sort of like what Dirty English wishes it was. Awesome design as well, I've got to say. It's a fantastic scent, worth the 70-ish Australian dollars you're paying for it. And so that brings us to Zadig and Voltaire's Just Rock. It looks very similar to This Is Him. So I'm just going to remove the cellophane. I can smell a little bit through the cellophane, but I don't know, maybe that's just the cellophane, maybe that's just like the bubble wrap that it came packaged in. So it's got a lot to live up to, considering This Is Him is my favorite scent of all time. Awesome design, the lightning bolt, black. I mean, obviously I'm gonna like the packaging for this one. And let's have a look. Oh, that is nice. Same sort of bottle, except it's matte black instead, and it's not see-through. Just for comparison. Looks really solid. Oh, I can't wait to smell this one. Yeah, I love the design. Man, I'm excited to spray this on. Let's do 2. Let's live a little dangerously. It's pretty close to the original, but what is that? Patchouli? There's like a patchouli note here. It's dustier than the original. I've got like 3 bottles of this, so I'm gonna waste the spray. Alright, side by side. This is Just Rock. And this is Him. This Is Him is still a little dirty, but it's mostly a clean sort of incense and smoke fragrance. Whereas Just Rock, it's a much dustier, dirtier fragrance. It still smells incredible. Like, this is already like top 10 territory. There is something in it, and it might be a muskiness that reminds me of YSL's Kuros. I still think I prefer the original This Is Him. Having said that though, Just Rock smells pretty damn nice, I've got to say. Just Rock, to my nose at least, smells like if you had crossed Zadig and Voltaire's This Is Him with YSL's Kuros. There is a muskiness, it's definitely got a dirtier feel to it, but it's still very nice, and you could pull this off in public without too many complaints, I reckon. It smells incredible though, and if it performs anything like the original, this is going to be definitely something to check out. I got it for the same price as I typically get This Is Him, so about $70 Australian. I recommend checking out both, but if you could only buy one and like that was firm, like very strict, I do recommend the original This Is Him, but Just Rock. I don't know, man, if you're a fan of musks and patchouli more than incense and smoke, I definitely recommend Just Rock over This Is Him, because it dials down the incense and smoke a little bit, dials down the vanilla a little bit as well, and then ramps up the patchouli and that sort of dusty characteristic. This is almost more unisex, I would say. Anyways, I love both of these scents. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever worn them before. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.